Welcome to Review Rumble. The best paint by diamonds is probably one of the most relaxing and rewarding hobbies you can pick up, allowing you to create stunning, sparkling works of art with a simple, satisfying process that anyone can enjoy, regardless of artistic skill. Imagine transforming a blank canvas into a vibrant masterpiece, one tiny diamond at a time, bringing a sense of accomplishment and a beautiful finished product to display proudly in your home or gift to loved ones. This engaging activity offers a mindful escape from daily stresses, providing hours of creative enjoyment and a tangible result that truly shines. Number 5. DPDP Custom Diamond Art Painting Kits. Capture your most cherished moments with a personalized touch. Commemorate special dates, names, or messages with this unique diamond art painting. It's the perfect way to surprise someone special. Our professional design team meticulously refines each image for stunning color accuracy. We ensure your custom creation is vibrant, detailed, and true to your original photo. Experience a more dimensional and realistic art form than traditional paintings. Its rich colors and shine resist fading, making it an ideal, long-lasting decoration for any room. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY kit is perfect for everyone and any occasion. Create a heartfelt keepsake for birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, and more. We are dedicated to bringing joy to your loved ones with the perfect gift. If you have any questions about your custom order, please don't hesitate to reach out. What we like? Commemorate special moments with personalized text. Our professional design team ensures vibrant, authentic colors. If you're looking for a unique and heartfelt gift that can be cherished for years, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The canvas is pre-printed with clear numbers and symbols, making it easy to follow the design. The diamonds are high quality, with a consistent cut and vibrant colors that really make the painting pop. The finished product looks stunning and is a great way to create personalized wall art. Number 4. Diamond Dotz Stick Adhesive Glue. Keep your diamonds, beads, and puzzle pieces securely in place. This adhesive prevents lifting and shifting, ensuring a neat and lasting finish for all your creations. Achieve a beautiful, polished look with a finish that dries completely transparent. It enhances the shine and detail of your work, giving it a professional appearance. The smooth gel formula spreads evenly for precise and mess-free application. It's perfect for fixing loose pieces or covering larger areas with ease. This adhesive is suitable for a wide range of materials including wood, glass, metal, and plastic. It's ideal for diamond painting, puzzles, and various DIY crafts. Comes in a convenient 4 fluid ounces bottle with a water-based formula. It's easy to use and store, perfect for all your crafting and hobby needs. Enjoy a strong, waterproof hold that lasts. This glue ensures your projects remain secure and intact over time, providing peace of mind. What we like? Achieve a strong, long-lasting bond for your diamond paintings. It dries crystal clear, enhancing the shine and detail of your work. If you need a reliable, mess-free adhesive for your diamond art or other crafts, this is the ideal solution for a polished look. What people say. The diamonds are very vibrant and sparkly. The canvas is pre-printed with a clear image, making it easy to follow. The kit includes all the necessary tools, such as the drill pen, tray, and wax. Number 3. Diamond Dotz Baby Brollie Elephant Diamond Painting. Discover the joy of diamond painting with this enchanting baby Brollie elephant design. Perfect for adults, it offers a full coverage experience for a truly immersive craft. Watch as your creation comes to life with a sparkling, faceted finish. Each gem adds a unique brilliance to this vibrant wall decor. Everything you need to begin is included in this complete starter set. You can start creating your beautiful artwork right away. Once completed, this piece is ready to frame, transforming your space with its vibrant colors. It's designed to be a stunning addition to any room. Looking for a unique and thoughtful present? This diamond painting kit makes a great handmade gift for friends and family who appreciate creativity. Experience the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with Diamond Dotz. It's more than a craft, it's a way to relax and express yourself. What we like? This kit offers a full coverage design for a truly sparkling, faceted finish. It comes as a complete starter set, making it incredibly easy to begin. If you're a beginner looking for a vibrant and engaging diamond painting project that results in beautiful wall decor, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The canvas is pre-printed with a clear, detailed image, making it easy to follow the diamond placement. The diamonds are vibrant and have a beautiful sparkle, really bringing the painting to life. The kit includes all the necessary tools and a generous amount of diamonds, ensuring you won't run out. Number 2. Custom diamond painting kits full drill for adults. Easily create your own unique diamond painting by uploading your favorite photo. We can transform any image, from people and animals to landscapes and flowers, into a stunning piece of art. For the best results, choose a larger size, especially for detailed pictures. Start customizing your diamond painting today. It's the perfect addition to your living room or office, adding beauty and reflecting your personal style. This simple yet generous craft will make your home truly yours. Remember, this is a DIY full round diamond painting kit, not a finished product. You'll need to complete it yourself. Please note that colors may vary slightly due to lighting. The kit does not include a frame. You'll need to frame your finished artwork. We take great care in designing each diamond art kit. While we strive for perfection, occasional issues like missing stones can occur due to manual processes. If you encounter any problems, please don't hesitate to contact us. Diamond painting is a popular and rewarding hobby for all ages. It's a wonderful way to relieve stress and experience a sense of accomplishment. Once completed and framed, it becomes a beautiful decoration for your home. What we like. Personalize your art with any picture, from people to landscapes. For the best visual effect, larger sizes are recommended, especially for complex images. If you want to create a truly personal piece of home decor that reflects your style or a cherished memory, this custom option is perfect. What people say. The canvas is pre-printed with clear numbers and symbols, making it easy to follow. The diamonds are vibrant and have a beautiful sparkle, really bringing the painting to life. The adhesive on the canvas is strong and holds the diamonds securely in place. Number 1. Custom diamond art painting kits for adults. Transform your cherished photos into stunning diamond art paintings. It's a unique and personal way to decorate your home or create a heartfelt gift. Getting started is simple. Just click the Customize Now button and upload your favorite image. We'll handle the rest to create your personalized masterpiece. Add a personal touch to any space in your home, from the living room to the bedroom. It's also an ideal gift for loved ones, celebrating special moments. Engage in a fun and therapeutic activity that helps relieve stress and provides a sense of accomplishment. It's a wonderful way to spend your free time. This is a DIY kit with full round diamonds, ready for you to complete. Please note that it comes as a rolled canvas and requires framing to adorn your walls. Each kit is meticulously designed. While we strive for perfection, if you encounter any issues, please reach out to us, and we'll make it right. What we like. Transform your cherished photos into stunning wall art with this custom kit. It features a full drill round design for a complete and immersive crafting experience. If you're seeking a relaxing hobby that results in personalized home decor or a thoughtful gift, this is an excellent choice for both younger and older crafters. What people say. The canvas is pre-printed with clear numbers and symbols, making it easy to follow. The diamonds are high quality, with a consistent shape and vibrant colors that really make the painting pop. The adhesive on the canvas is strong and holds the diamonds securely, ensuring the finished product will last. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.